How to connect Minecraft to Oculus Quest 2. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to play Minecraft using your Oculus Quest 2 in VR. Whether using the Java or Bedrock version, I'll guide you to the easiest and fastest way to get started. Party 1. Party 1 for Java Edition. Using Vivecraft and SteamVR. Step 1. First, make sure you have the Java edition of Minecraft installed on your PC. Step 2. Go to vivecraft.org and download the latest version that matches your Minecraft. Run the installer and check the Install SteamVR Support box. Step 3. Now, install Steam and SteamVR if you haven't already. Open the Oculus desktop app and connect your Quest 2 using either a USB cable or R-Link. Step 4. Launch SteamVR. Then, open Minecraft Launcher and select the Vivecraft profile. Hit play and Minecraft will launch in VR on your headset. Part 2 for Bedrock Edition, Native VR. Step 1. Download Minecraft for Windows from the Microsoft Store. This version has built-in VR support. Step 2. Make sure the Oculus app is running on your PC and connect your headset via link or R-Link. Step 3. Now, just open Minecraft. It will automatically launch in full VR inside your Quest 2. Quick tips. Use a strong USB-C cable or Wi-Fi 6 for R-Link. And remember, Java needs SteamVR and Vivecraft. Bedrock doesn't. And that's it. This was a tutorial on how to connect Minecraft to your Oculus Quest 2. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.